Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to buy Robux in starpets.gg. If you're wondering how to buy Robux in Star Pets, here's a quick guide. Start by opening your preferred browser. This works on both PC and mobile. Type in starpets.gg, click the first link, which takes you to their official website. Once there, log in or register for an account if you haven't already. After that, head over to the Robux section where you can purchase Robux. You see how much Robux is currently available. In this case, about 16,540 Robux in stock. Enter the amount you want to buy on the right side. For example, type 500 Robux and it will show the equivalent price. Or if you prefer, input your budget on the left, say $10, and it will display how much Robux you'll get. If you have any promo codes, don't forget to enter them here for extra savings. Once done, click Buy and choose your payment option: Apple Pay, Google Pay, Tether, Visa, or MasterCard. Next, enter your Roblox username and select your Roblox Place ID where your Game Pass will be withdrawn. Follow the short on-screen tutorial to create your Game Pass, click Done, and continue with the purchase. Once completed, you have your Robux ready to use directly in your Roblox game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.